Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone reminders not working in iOS 17. Your iPhone becomes a lifesaver when it reminds you about important days, meeting, tasks, etc. So it can be frustrating when your iPhone reminders app is not working as expected. But don't worry, we are here to help. In this video we'll troubleshoot and fix reminder app on your iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check iPhone's reminder notification settings. This might lead you to think that the reminders are not working. Therefore, you must check for your iPhone's notification settings. For this, navigate to settings. Then scroll down and then tap on notifications. Now scroll down and then find the reminders app. And then tap on allow notifications toggle button to turn it on. And also enable time sensitive alerts, badges, and also go to sounds and select your preferred alert sound for reminders, and you are done. Further, you may also want to ensure that today notifications is toggled on and that assigned reminders are not muted. And then go to reminders. Next, toggle on today notifications under the all day reminders sections. Scroll down to the bottom and then toggle off mute notifications under the assigned reminder section, and you are done. And the next step is force close and relaunch reminders app. Temporary software glitches are the most common reason why apps like reminders can malfunctioning on your iPhone. You can often resolve these glitches by force quitting and relaunching the app in question. Open the app switcher on your iPhone. Next, swipe up on the reminders app to force close it, and then again relaunch the reminders app to see if it works correctly, and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone to fix reminders app. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button, and same with the down button, and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And the next step is create time-based reminders. Several iPhone users face issues with reminders app due to improper setup. Create time-based reminders to ensure you receive reminders at the correct date and time. Open the reminders app and then new reminder, and then tap on the eye icon. Now turn on the toggle button for date and select the date. Set your preferred date from the calendar. Next, toggle on the time. From here you can select time and then tap on done, and you are done. And the next step is ensure schedule summary is disabled on iPhone. You must turn off schedule summary to ensure you don't miss reminders. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on notifications, and then tap on schedule summary. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off. And the next step is check if you have enabled the focus mode. You must ensure that the focus mode is not activated. For this, open the control center and then tap on focus mode. Then select a focus mode you want to turn off. Once you turn off a focus, the banner will go from white to gray, and you are done. And the next step is check your iCloud settings. The reminders apps may fail to work on your iPhone due to synchronization issues that can stem from improper iCloud settings. To ensure this is not the case, you must check your iCloud settings and make sure the reminders app is toggled on. For this, open the settings apps on your iPhone first and then tap the Apple ID banner with your name. Next, tap on show all. Next, toggle on the reminders, and you are done. And the next step is reset iPhone settings. If the reminders app is not working, you likely misconfigured something on your iPhone. To resolve such misconfigurations, it's recommended that you reset all the settings on your iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, and then tap on reset, and next tap on reset all settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instruction to reset all settings on your iPhone, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of iPhone reminders not working in iOS 17. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.